This is a quick demonstration of the new annotation functionality in the AI Bill of Material tool. This allows you to quickly and easily create bills of material on your drawings. We already have a drawing here loaded up that we've just created, and we want to add a bill of material to that. So we'll start the AI Bill of Material function, and the owner of the drawing is automatically selected as the top level for the bill of material. All we have to do is just click on Draw and Move BOM, and it takes whatever our current settings are, generates a bill of material, and we can put it on our drawing. We can say OK, and if we want to change any of our parameters, we can come over here and change those from a short list to an expanded list to a summary, go back to our indented bill. We can even come into the annotation options here and change our text size maybe to 3.175 millimeters, and you can see that everything automatically adjusts in the table over here. This one is growing up. We can change it to grow down if we want, and everything just happens in real time. We can preview everything that we do. If we want to change to all capital letters, all we have to do is click that toggle button. If we want to have it a little easier to read, we can leave it in the lowercase. Some of these other options we'll look at in just a minute with the highlighting BOM flags and things like that. So now that we've created our bill of material, we can create some position flags. So we'll start up the AI BOM Flags tool, and one of the things that's kind of nice is we can just select in the table and we can see where those parts are. If I bring this down a little bit, we can see where all of the parts are in the different views. So that's what this highlight BOM flags is. Once we have a flag, when we go to highlight those parts, the flag will also be highlighted if that box is checked. So we'll say, for example, we'll just clear the highlighting for now. We'll select this part. We'll put a BOM flag there for it. Select this part, flag, and we'll just do that on all these parts. Finish that up, and we'll do one on this on the flat view here as well. So now if we come up and we highlight these, then you can see that the flags are highlighted as well. If we want to change those flags, we can change them to circles. We can change our size for our flags, and that's really all we need to do on that. Again, we can just clear the highlighting if we don't want it there. We'll change this back to a box and clear, and that's all there is to it. Again, if we come back into the bill of material tool, we can modify this table, and because under annotation options we can change the adjust point if we want. Since this is upper right, if we add or remove columns here, this upper right point will remain fixed. So for example, if I hit choose columns, I pick on the level column and say let's get rid of that, it just disappears and the table shifts everything to the right. If we add that column back in, the table will shift to the left, and we can even reposition those columns in the table in real time and have everything look just the way we want it. With the AI Bill of Material tool for annotation, it's that easy.